We are 33 Buckets. This is our final video presentation. The team consists of Nick Henson,
Marvin Vergara,
Avidas Gupta,
Joe Nurnberg,
and Shardul Golwalkar.
The main problem that we've identified is water contamination, as well as the lack of education. After tons of research, we found out that millions of people lack access to any kind of sanitary water, and that often leads to water-related disease. Now, specifically, we've narrowed our project down to focusing on an area in Bangladesh, where we've seen that there is also a lack of education because of the fact that so many of the students in the Rahima Hoke School are spending their time to go and fetch water instead of spending their time in school.
So the 33 Buckets mission statement is to empower people worldwide to become self-reliant and improve their quality of health and their quality of life. To identify the project, an animal came to the EPICS program regarding Rahima Hoke School. This school is in Bangladesh, where most of the water is contaminated with arsenic. To address this issue, the original 33 Buckets team made an assessment trip in 2012. There they took water samples and found that there was no arsenic in this specific well. However, they pivoted to using a filter already made by Osmocorp and instead creating a distribution model to make the filter sustainable and help the school be self-reliant.
Additionally, we presented our project to a group of actual engineers, and from this we gained a lot of great feedback. The number one thing that we learned was that the new team members really needed to grasp the concept of the project and make sure that we understood the details and reviewed all the documents that the team leads compiled in order to make sure that we can make our project successful.
This is our distribution model. As you can see, the Water Advisory Committee will consist of 8 permanent advisors and partners. This will consist of 5 school faculty, 2 students, and a full-time employee. They will be in charge of making sure the well and everything runs smoothly. So for 4 hours a day, they will make sure that water is drawn from the well and that the water will be filtered and filled into containers. The containers will be provided by us, and there will be approximately 250 to 520 liter containers. They will then be put onto trucks or rickshaws and delivered to local vendors around the community. Rickshaws are very cheap and will cost pennies per ride, and if factories want them, they can provide their own trucks. This way we can efficiently send water to across the community where it's necessary.
Over the semester, the group researched about containers and potential water contaminants in Bangladesh. From our research, we were able to select viable containers to transport water, and we will be doing this around late December when some of the group will be traveling to Bangladesh. Over the semester, we also showcased the project around ASU, and we also finalized the purchasing of the water filter from Osmocorp, a local company in Bangladesh. We also finished designing and constructing the water storage building that will house the filtration unit. In the future, we will be conducting simple pump tests in Bangladesh in order to ensure that we are not extracting more water than can be replenished. We'll also be conducting research of businesses that we can sell to in order to see where they get the water and if there will be market interruption with our solution. And our goal on our trip to Bangladesh is to establish 20 viable businesses to work with and sell clean water to. And if this project is successful, we'll be able to create other scale projects in closer sites near us, such as Arizona, Mexico, or Central America, and provide them with clean access to viable water.